We're here today. Check out the Queen Mary. I got Frankie. Eventually they're gonna go with the dive team under the water line to check out the integrity of the metal, the steel on the side of the ship. Exciting. Yeah, no big deal. I'm just 50 feet below the water line inside the bowels of the Queen Mary, looking for Frank, who wandered off. I think Frankie's looking for spirits. Frankie. Oh my God. It just never stops. Literally. This ship just goes on forever. Holy shit.
It's crazy.
Oh, did you find the bow? Oh my God. We are down where the boilers used to be, but I guess they cut them out of here about 70 years ago. What a trip. I'm guessing these concrete walkways weren't originally with the ship. See, I love... They don't need to make it any creepier for the Halloween haunt thing. It's... Did you try to go out that exit door? Oh, Frank. I'm telling you, this is this is where they do the Halloween haunt. Oh, stairs. That's not scary. Frank and I seem to have found a very old, very creepy stateroom. Can't borrow this one sec. Oh my God. If I didn't know any better, I'd swear we were at the bottom of the ocean on the Titanic or something. Like, this is some old creepy shit right here. Wait, why does this dude have a chain on his bed?
So it doesn't.
What? That's crazy. Look at the watertight bulkhead doors. Just like on the movie with Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet. You know what's kind of creepy, Frank? All these catwalks that are like 30 and 40 feet up. Just in the middle of goddamn nowhere. Wow. So we are going aft.
Still operational? Well, it's not operational, but it's still got all the equipment.
Wow. Put some temporary scaffolding. Wow. That's cool.
It's rather a large pulley right there. What the fuck is that thing?
I have no idea. Look at these stairways that just go to nothing.
Oh, that's a cable pulley for like an escalator or some shit like that. Right?
We are now down in the only existing engine room that's still here. Huge condenser. Oh my God. There's really just no way to get a scale of how big this is, right, Frankie? Frank, go stand down there. Our tour guide, Steve, said we can have at it. He just gave us free reign of the engine room. I don't know if that was a good idea. Frankie broke something. There he is. This is my hand next to one spline on this giant
Don't touch it.
flywheel. He said we could turn the ship on, and traverse through the harbor. Oh, here we go. Hey, Frankie, I found the drive shaft. I'm gonna follow it all the way back to the propeller. Oh my god. Oh my god. I swear to God, if there's a dead body or a spirit back here. On the drive shaft disappears. That's the back of the ship. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Drive shaft. Drive shaft. Oh, right out the back of the ship. I found the very, very, very back of the Queen Mary. Frankie, what did you find over there? Can you see the drive shaft?
Drive shaft.
Leave the exit the ship. There it goes. Oh my god. Could you imagine that thing spinning 90 years ago when they built this ship? Hey, did you see any dead bodies, Frankie?
No, not yet.
Oh, and there's the absolute very bottom. Past that is water, which means we're still about 36 feet below the surface, the water surface. Oh, I wish I had a flashlight, Frankie.
Is that a dead body there?
Maybe. Frank, where are we?
We're in the bowels of the Queen Mary.
We're not even in the bowels. We went up 2 decks. I think we're near the surface. Why would they let us have free reign of this ship, Frank? I feel like that's a bad idea.
It's never a bad idea.
We have no idea where we are. There's a Queen Mary facade this way. And that ship.
We have to go through those double doors right here.
All right. And you need to find a bathroom. We took a back staircase from down in the engine room. And that's locked. So now we have to go back through the engine room. What happened? Oh yeah. There's the engine room.
4D theater.
How is that anchor suspended? Jesus Christ. All right, so we were in the aft. Well, we started out in all these. These aren't here anymore. 192, 191, 190, 189, 187, 180. Oh yeah, then we walked through 185 and 184, and then followed the propeller all the way to the ass end of the ship, below the G deck. Oh my gosh. Where are the rich people at? Oh, here you go, 41. That's where the rich people are. Theater. I found a theater, but I don't see a theater. Maybe. theater? What? Theater? It is a big ass door. It doesn't want to open. Come on, where's the theater, Frankie? Here we go. Queen Mary propeller, Queen Mary historic exhibits, rear steerage. What happened to the theater? Bro, how come they gonna threaten me with a good time? Talking about a theater, and all I see over here is Captain Stubing. Oh, that's Thomas Dewey Brown. Oh, Frank, we're on an escalator. Where does the escalator go? Oh God, oh God. Where is this going? We're gonna be back down in the engine. We're back down in the engine room. I don't want to go to the engine room. I want to go to the theater.
Oh yeah, I saw this.
Don't throw anything overboard because the enemy submarines would know where you were. Now we're back in here. What the? You find a thing? Oh my God, we found the rudder. It's like right there. Shine it. There it is.
So we are underwater right now as we speak.
It says rudder head. Wow. I'm gonna be listening to this later going, why did I talk through the whole freaking thing? What you got? Oh yeah, no, I always wanted to touch one of these. The other ones were behind a rope or something. Oh yes. All HUD full. Oh no, this is oh. That's steering, not speed.
This is also steering.
Wow.
There you go. Come forward.
Steering ram. It said ram. Frank, where's the rest of our group?
We lost them. Exploring. We were on an exploratory mission. Mission.
Hey, I found more. Oh, we're back to here. Gotta find that theater, bro. Projection room. Frankie. Those are like $100,000 projectors, and there's 2 of them. Oh my God! I found a theater. I've been looking for the theater for 25 minutes. I still can't figure out how to get in it. Are you still here? Great. Now I lost Frank. Hey, how did you find this place?
Other side.
Oh my God. This is straight out of 1983.
Right?
This entire...
Back to the Future?
Yeah. Oh God, this is amazing. You're gonna have to take a picture of me on the theater stage over there. Frank, what the hell do they play on the Queen Mary Theater? Oh my God, you know why it says 4D? It's It's just like the Honey, I Shrunk the Audience up at like Disneyland and stuff. Like crap comes out of the seats, mist.
All immersive?
Yeah, there's mist holes. There's speakers in the seats. Speakers in front of you, so when the dog sneezes on you, you can feel it. Say cheese, buddy. There you go. I like that they just keep the neon lights on all the time, so when they have knuckleheads touring the ship. What a trip. There's an old barber chair back there. Hey, my brother-in-law Anthony would love to have that barber chair. Oh my God, I'm such a nerd. All the speakers are back here. You can't see them, but I can. All the amps, all the speakers. Frank, I'm behind the screen. The subwoofers. Oh, center channel speaker, JBLs, left and right. This was done more recent than not. I'd say mid to late 80s.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, dude, they got 5.1 surround sound, so it's not. That's awesome. Yeah, it's pretty legit. Frank's singing. I don't know. Look. Oh, Anthony. Gotta take a picture of that for Anthony. Okay, good. Oh. Dead end? We gotta find the engine room.
Hairdressing salon. Oh, look, it's prices.
What does it cost to get your hair done on the Queen Mary? And that 1936 guide. Shaving was $25. I feel like that's expensive. A hand massage for 65 cents. 1 second, my friend. I'm coming. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, it's like a little museum.
How old are these thumbtacks?
Older than you. What? If I show this to anybody and they've taken the Queen Mary tour, they'd be like, I already saw all of that. Oh, you hear that? That's somebody looking for us. Oh my God, Frank. Oh, the thumbtacks are so you can plot charts and stuff.
That door work?
Here I thought women were doing crafts or something. What's that? Hey. Wow, it's Churchill.
The cabinet room.
What the shit? Did they use this as a war room? As a war vessel?
Yep. Well, it was during wartime.
What? Bro, you have to sit down in one of those chairs. Frank.
I'm gonna sit right there. Hey, look, here's the engine room where we came from.
Okay, well, that's probably how we'll find the rest of our people. Oh my God, if Winston Churchill sat in this room, I'm gonna poop.
Dozen women type minutes of reports. Churchill hated the clap of the typewriter keys, and typists relied on noiseless machines. So is that
Oh my God.
that's a real document.
Oh my God. I'm gonna poop myself. This is too exciting. I need to go back to the thing on Churchill and read about him. What's it say? This is not real shit. This is gotta be reimagined.
It's real.
Is that real?
Yeah.
Oh my God. This is right at my noggin height. Don't hit your head. What's it say about Churchill? Churchill was here? Prime Minister 94 appeared losing the award.
Who worked in the war rooms?
Read fast. In the war rooms, Churchill's bold insights were strengthened by his smart and experienced central command and the intelligence gathered on the ground, at sea, and in the air. He unified and comforted Great Britain and its allies as they faced the greatest military crisis of the 20th century.
Oh, this is the rich side.
Hey, look, Frank, first class and steerage. Wow. Wow, more Churchill. What the? All right, let's go find our
Patriots. What is this?
compatriots.
Yeah.
That's a trip, dude. That is a trip. Wow. We've come a long way since those gas masks.
Except we use the same shovels.
Yeah, that's awesome. I hope the guy that invented those shovels still has the patent. 100 years later, he's still making, just his great grandchildren are making millions of dollars. All right, we found some stairways. Let's go do a thing. Frank, what'd you find?
50 cal.
Big freaking gun. Oh, that's awesome. Go shoot it. Go
On
shoot
a
it.
merchant ship.
On a merchant ship. They turned it into a wartime vessel, Frankie. That's awesome. All right, we gotta get out of here for realsies. Walt Disney, what are you doing? A frequent traveler aboard the Queen Mary. Wow. He had a special table at the veranda grill.
We need to go see that table.
Yeah, we do. Gotta ask our guy. Okay, engine room. Here we go. Heading back down. You think we're below water yet? Sweet. Dude, I'm completely lost. Do you remember which way it was?
Okay.
I think it's that one. When I'm 75 years old, I'll find this footage on my computer, or maybe it'll just be downloaded into my neurons and be like, oh yeah, that one time
From your great grandchildren.
me and my gay friend Frankie
Oh yeah, I smell it now.
got all my steps in for the day. Hey, there they are.
And they're gone.
Oh my god.
Hello, hello. Is anybody in here?
I still see a jacket hanging from the railing. So
You speak whale?
what do you speak? Let me hear your wail. So you don't think we haven't gone the full length of the ship yet?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, we saw the stern for sure.
Ended up in the dead end over there.
Yeah, but did we see the bow? There's evidence.
They're getting a special tour.
Oh,
I'm missing it.
probably. I wish I would have gotten Steve's. No, they left this open. They're probably
The fucking alarms probably went off and they evacuated. We're here smelling the shit.
It's all right. Well, let's go find them.
Certified back in '73.
Wow.
I was diving before we had a lot of equipment.
So we're outside the ship
Outside
right
the ship,
now.
here's your water line. Here's your splash zone. That's the boot stripe actually. Here's your splash zone right here of the ship.
And they built a clear pool, freshwater pool, so we could take a look at the prop for tours and stuff. How big's the prop?
18 feet in diameter. And so the pool's about 30 feet deep, a little warm.
Oh my God. Well, we thought we were done exploring, but evidently we weren't. we found a carpenter. We found the biggest maze area in this whole thing, and we're like, what would you say, about 60 feet above the bilge? And this is stuff that they set up for the haunted Queen Mary. And I wish I would have had Frank's reaction when he first saw that. Somewhere outside here, there's some seagulls going crazy. Frank, one day is not going to be enough exploration for this ship. Yo. Huh? Looks like where they keep all the old.
How old do you think this wood is?
Oh, some of it's got to be almost 100 years. What? What does this say? Off limits to regular access. Oh, dude, it's all the original couches and stuff. This is like a wasteland of. Oh, Frankie, I want in. It's locked. Chairs and chairs and chairs and chairs. Photo of a guy. What's in there, buddy?
More tables and chairs.
Tables and chairs. Oh my God. And my heart will go on and on. Tell me it doesn't look like that staircase just a little bit. Go up it. I want you to come down like Leo DiCaprio. Wait, who comes down the stairway? Is it Leo or Kate?
Kate Winslet.
Kate comes, and oh, Leo's at the bottom. All right, I'm Leo. You're Kate. Yes. I feel like some of the stuff here is more original, wherever we're at right now.
I'm gonna need you to open that door.
How come I gotta open it? Oh, it's locked. I feel like this is some of the original stuff up here, Bubba.
Should I dare?
Lavatory? Aww. Look at this nice original helmet. And a creepy ass doll. What is happening here? Oh my goodness. Hoi! More!
Safe.
More up a layway. Okay, I feel like now we're like where the hotel is or was. Oh, that's cool, Frank.
Carpathia.
Carpathia. That's the name of another ship in the Titanic era. there's a bilge pump on the third class nursery. Oh my God.
Bro, this is the hotel.
This is the hotel? So some people would have already seen this if they were. Oh. Red rum. Red rum. You tell me you know what that's from. There's a one that's open. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? There's a bulkhead. Look, it's a real hotel room. All right.
I'm gonna show you this.
He's like, hey guys, where you at? We're in the hotel. That's cool. That's really cool.
Yeah, follow me. Still let me die.
I got more steps in today. Hey, that modern Coke machine really throws off the vibe.
That's not authentic.
We got higher classrooms up here. Nope. I might be just a hair bigger. That's nice.
So, why don't they use this shit that has the homeless?
No way. I don't want to ruin it. That's a long freaking hallway, dude. That's a long hallway.
Going all the way?
Well, I want to keep going up. If it's just a bunch of estate rooms, then what's the point of seeing them all? Hey, where you guys at? We're on the top of the smokestack. Frank shit himself. Main deck, ice and soft drinks. Let's see what a room up here looks like.
Welcome aboard, private jet.
Ooh, Frank's gonna go to the private event. Oh, you get a bunk and a half in here. That's cute. Which side of the ship would you want to be on, port or
It's a hall
starboard?
there, and it's a hall.
Wow. Show me your best dance moves. This is the stern, right?
Probably.
What side are we on?
We're facing west. So yes, we're on this east side.
Oh, how do I get out there? There's guns. There's guns on the deck. Yeah. No, we're on the fore, not aft.
That goes down.
Oh, Frank.
That window's open.
That's nice. I could climb out there.
Oh, no, we're finding a way out.
No.
Yeah, it's on now.
Sounds good. I don't think this is original. What do you think? Oh my god. Historic steps? What does that even mean? Frank! Frank, we found the front of the Oh, here he is. What's going on, big guy? How you doing? We found the very top-ish. There's some guys. How's it going? Found the front. Fantastic. National Register of Historic Places by the United States Department of the Interior, 1993. That's really cool. Safely transporting over 750,000 servicemen and women aboard the Queen Mary during World War II. This is pretty dope. Where are we going, buddy?
You want to go through the guts, or you want to go through here?
Is that the easier way to get down? Literally. Look, they took all the lifeboats down.
Brother, look at this.
Oh, there's it being built. Bro. Oh, that's just what you can get nowadays for your wedding here. That's not original. Look, there's people meandering around. I thought we were the only people. Starbucks? There's a Starbucks. I thought we were extra cool. But there's
I don't think they get access to
the bilge. That was pretty cool. Well, Frank, 2 hours later, we've made it to the top deck. Where's our peeps? Oh, yeah. We've been all the way 30 feet below the waterline. This is gorgeous. They're repainting these guys too. One of them, you can see from far away, one of them looks, hey, like it's still stripped down. Sweet. More? Frank. They cut them off? That's awesome. Frank, this is where Jack and Rose were trying to get a lifeboat. I know it's a different ship, but you know. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh, Frankie found us. You know what? Okay, so the one thing I said, probably not on camera, to Frankie over here, is that this ship is not nearly as wide as you think it is. Aki. That was the one holding it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're trying to get your photo up, huh? Oh, this is just cool.
Darren, not everybody sees the backside of this, the Queen Mary.
Yeah? Well, not since COVID, huh? Since they closed it down. Frankie wants to see the bridge.
We're going up. They kept these?
Oh, they only took the port side off, the starboard. No, I lied. This is the only one up. They took all the other port and starboard.
Probably from
Holy
keeping people to jump.
Jesus Christ. Remember, you're aboard a ship with uneven decks. Watch your step. Frank, we gotta go up one more so you can stand on the side there. You can be the starboard watchman. It's going, oh my God, it's so big. That's what she said.
Going up one more.
So that they blocked off for whatever reason. Look at this plywood in the way.
Yes, sir.
Uneven decks, Frankie. Uneven decks. You know, I didn't even realize there's a huge mast. Hey, Frank, if you had any balls whatsoever, you would shimmy straight up that mast. Well, this right here is the coolest thing we've done today, Frank. On the windiest day of the year, flag for reference. What do you think, Frank? Coolest thing we did today?
Great.
Oh my God. This is so awesome. Hey, there's our truck. Don't tell anybody. Wow. I guess it hey, there's a submarine over there. I guess it probably doesn't do it justice how high up we are. Frank, how high up are we?
I don't know.
Stop kicking shit. Bro, it's over 100 feet, 120 feet. just want to know why there's one gun turret down there. And by the way, I had no idea there was a submarine here. I guess we gotta explore that next.
That's a Russian submarine.
A Russian submarine, Frank, is that?
Yeah, I've done it. Remember, this ship sailed during wartime.
Are all of those supports just to support the mast?
I think so.
Jesus. I would if given permission, I would absolutely climb that. This is the crow's nest iceberg! Right ahead, Frankie!
Ringing the bell. Ding, ding, ding.
It's a bloody iceberg! Oh. Oh, God. That was fantastic. I'm gonna just stand here in this little cove. Feel important. You feel good now?
Fantastic.
All right. It is locked. This is the radio room. This is where Winston Churchill and all of his 12 typists. He's like, screw you guys, get out of here. This is my place. Is there racquetball courts back here? What's going on back here? Oh my God, there's like shuffleboard and stuff. Wow. Is this where Rose and Jack? Why does it look wet? Is this where Rose and Jack met, sitting on a bench? What?
Splinter.
Oh, Jesus, I thought you... Fucking guy. Yeah, I know, that's what I was thinking. What a trip. I don't know, we hit a dead end, so if we want to hit the stern, I guess we got to go down a deck. Yeah, that's right. Darren knows a couple of nautical terms. Like 3.
Remind me to bring my GoPro.
If you don't bring your goddamn GoPro to work soon
With my headband.
with your headband, I hope it has a stable mode on it or something. Oh, there he goes again.
Damn it. You motherfucker. Sorry.
Oh my God. Private offices. Alright, stand by. We're gonna see if Frank fits in the telephone booth. He does. Good to know. There's a gazebo on the stern. How exciting. Frankie, you should renew your vows on the stern gazebo. Wow.
Get married.
I'm not gonna marry you. We have all... Can you do like the pastor? We are gathered here today in holy matrimony.
So let me quote Prince.
What?
Let me quote Prince.
Go ahead.
Just kidding.
Oh. Still headed to the stern, but hey, we can see the back of the... This is where Rose almost jumped off the back. Frankie. Don't jump, Rose. Don't do it. There's your buddies again. Oh, there it is. Stairway.
Why do I hear a dog?
Somebody brought their dog on the Norwegian cruise.
Drug sniffing dog.
Oh, is it? It'd be a lot easier if there was just a gangway right here for us. It's gonna take us 3.5 hours to find our way back. Dude, this is pretty legit. This is where you have your reception, yeah? After the wedding?
Yeah, not really floors like this.
You don't like... Oh, Frank almost fell through the floor. Oh, yes. I want you to draw me like you do in one of your French magazines.
What are you doing, Rose?
Rose, give me your hand. That bitch threw that fucking multi-billion-dollar necklace in the ocean at the end.
It was chump change to her, though. It was like...
No, she was poor at the end of the movie. Her like granddaughter was taking care of her. She could have taken care of her family and her family's family, but her dumbass was like, nope.
Can you get the Queen Mary name here? Don't drop your phone, please.
Oh my god. All of our footage would be lost. Oh, look at all those happy people going on a cruise. Alright, Frank, we gotta sign off. Give us some words of inspiration.
Inspiration?
Yeah.
What kind of inspiration?
I don't know, just inspiration to end our fucking 90-minute video.
I have no... I can't.
Alright.
Nothing.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Like our videos. Subscribe. Alright.
Fuck.
So,
Sorry.
I know I already signed off. Oh my god, there's a mural. I'll just put this video before the sign off. Yeah. I'm cool with this. Maybe if Frankie backs up, we'll be able to see it exactly. There's like 3 decks tall. How tall are you? About 8 foot? 8'2"?
5'9".
5'9". Oh my god. It's fun. It's beautiful.
I want to throw a party in here now.
Well, I feel like if you don't, you're a pussy.